Wow, you look like a star or something, like Hollywood star. You know what? Like we've been meeting like more than a year. But I still feel like first time meeting you.
Because I look different every day.
I know, not like that. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Can you hear me? So we got special package from YouTube. YouTube package. Finally we got it.
It's been like 5 months, which is not that long. Ta-da!
Whoa.
Can't see anything.
Can't see in there. What's in there? Look, they gave
So
us
nice.
empty. Oh. I got a paper.
Okay, you should read.
I should pay rent. So you've just done something that very few YouTube creator I don't know how to read.
It's okay, we don't have to.
And we got a card too.
Congratulations on your subscriber milestone.
Send me milestone. Don't look it up. Don't look it up. Don't cheating. You're English speaker.
I mean, I know it, but I don't know how to explain it.
Next.
So why do you go for the paper first?
Paper transfer. Share the recognized. Okay. It's so shiny, Sam. Ta-da!
Presented to
Sam and JJ for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Wow, that's so cool.
Hey guys, this number is you.
So cute. Where should we put it?
In my heart, like our fan. Oh,
That's so small.
There.
Oh, smart. Wait, you can't see my big head. There it is.
Now it feels like we're a YouTuber now.
Kind of.
Look guys, how pretty. Huh? Do you believe she's my girlfriend? I know you don't believe that. Anyways,
we just wanted to thank everyone who's been watching our videos, whether like from the beginning or you just started yesterday. Still, we want to thank you.
So thank you.
Because we wouldn't have gotten this without you guys, so thank you. Actually, it's kind of weird for me to receive this in the mail because when I was growing up, I used to watch YouTube all the time and I wanted it to be like them, but I don't really have the extroverted personality like most of them do.
Most of them are awkward,
No, they're like so happy and loud, and I can't be like that because I'm very low. This is the loudest I can be.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
But here we are. Since we reached this milestone, as they put it, we wanted to show you guys who you guys are, because we find that really interesting to look at our statistics. So we wanted to let you guys know more about yourselves.
First, where you guys are from? 11%.
11.8%.
American.
Number 1, American. Do you find that surprising?
No, you're American.
Yeah.
I'm Korean. So can you guess? Number 2 is Korea.
Yeah.
11.4%. Yeah, okay. It's not a surprise.
Yeah, I think that's the main reason why we put Korean subtitles. We always speak English so Korean people can understand.
And number 3. Indonesia. 9.7%.
That is actually kind of surprising.
Surprise.
We noticed that kind of from the beginning. A lot of the comments and subscribers were like, love from Indonesia. But that is really cool.
Okay.
More. Many of you from Indonesia ask us about putting Indonesian subtitles on our videos, but we don't know Indonesian, so it's kind of hard.
I heard there's something you can put, people can put the subtitle.
Yeah, there's an option where you guys can actually not subscribe. You can. What is it called? Subtitle. Translate our videos. So if one of you guys wants to, you can try that out because I'm not sure how that works.
And now there's so many countries,
Too many.
Yeah, too many countries here. So I'm gonna tell you very fast. Malaysia, Indo, Philippines, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, 독일, 영국, 프랑스, 태국, 캐나다, 오스트레일리아.
Next part.
What is your age?
13 to 17 years old.
Almost 13%. And 18
children.
to 24 is 48%.
Half of our viewers are my age. He's old.
My age is
25.
22%. Over 65 is 1%. 1%.
Why? That's actually kind of cool.
할아버지, love you.
How do you know it's a 할아버지, not 할머니?
아, yeah, 할머니. 할머니, 할아버지, I love you.
Next
is gender.
Okay, before we actually go into this, we know there are more than 2 genders, but you know, our statistics only show male and female, so that's what we have to work with. Okay, so according to the statistics, 76.8 of you guys are female.
Why do you look at me?
Because he's happy about that.
No, I mean, hey,
You have many girl fans.
I love you guys.
And then only 23, I just spit, I'm gonna say it again. And only 23.2% are male.
You know, when we start, like
It was, like,
80%
all
were
male.
men.
Yeah, that was weird.
And right now it's 76. Oh yeah, most of our fans.
I'm actually surprised it's 23.2 because I thought it would be around 1% and it would just be his dad, but
아빠. Oh wait. I just said 아빠. Maybe my sister would be like, sister.
oh my god, my sister watches this too. Not my dad. It's a secret from my family.
Sister.
At least I hope it's a secret and they know, but didn't tell me.
Okay, next.
Next, our most liked videos, I guess, like the videos that you guys like the most. The first one, which is not very surprising because it has like 1.6 million views, is our morning routine.
Yeah, I didn't guess. You know, like
Yeah.
I never guessed
Like,
it would be good.
I found this comment in our comment section like, oh, you guys should do a morning routine. That would be cool. And then I told him and he was like, no, that's not, no. And then finally I made him do it. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, it's only been about 2 months since we uploaded it, and like I said, it has 1.6 million views, but also it keeps going up like every day, so I guess the YouTube algorithm is pretty weird. The second video is...
How we met.
Yes, you knew that. 'Cause you actually kind of predicted that, right?
Yeah, I guess that would be popular.
He was so proud of his thumbnail. He sent it to me and he was like, look at this, it will be so popular.
It's so popular.
And it actually was. It has like a little bit over 1 million videos now. Viewers that watches. My English is so bad.
I know.
I think the videos that you guys like the most is when we tell you more about ourselves. So if that's a video that you guys want to see in the future, like couple tag, then let us know and we can do that kind of video. So,
Oh yeah.
yeah, so that would be fun to make if you guys want to see it. So let us know in the comments below. And in third place is...
Only speaking Korean. That
For a
was
day.
third.
Yeah, third place.
I guess
Why?
like our fan want to learn some Korean.
I was actually proud of this video because
Yeah, that was the
it
idea.
was my idea because I did research, and by research I mean I just watched YouTube for hours. I was looking to see what is trending in the United States, and that was a very popular video at the time, speaking a certain language for a day. So we decided to do it. But the challenge was for him to speak Korean to me. Some of you thought that I was supposed to speak Korean, and I can't speak Korean that well. Maybe in the future we can do a challenge where I have to speak Korean all day.
I think you just need a like confidence. You have really good pronunciation. I think like, I know when you're drunk, you could speak fluent Korean.
Should I get drunk for a video? I could try.
Drunk video?
I don't like drinking.
Maybe one day. Oh, actually I have a plan to make a video with my friends really tall. They are like 190, 91, 90 centimeter and I'm 188 centimeter. So kind of like I wanna make like tall Korean dudes talking with Sam or something. You know. I'll invite my friends, like 2 super tall friends who looking kind of hot. You know, maybe our fans are like girls, so maybe they will like it. What? I mean, hey, like
It's true.
you will like it too. Like you think about it, like 3 tall Korean guy, like and like you can interview them and like hang out together.
Okay, I have no friends, so that would be nice to make friends.
Do you have any question to my friends or
I'm curious
like
about
curious
anything
about anything like about tall guys
in Korea.
in Korea? You can write a comment and we will ask them. So
Thanks for watching, and we will see you in
next video.
the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.